Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is Chicago Cubs fan 84436 4838. We're back for another Severe thunderstorm video, and I was recording that one video that like not too long ago today. That fucking that bomb of thunder, huge fucking crap of thunder, scared the fuck out of me, and I do not know if that was lightning or not. It might have been in my hand. And as always, I do apologize for getting my hand in the way. So, I'm so sorry for that. I was just getting ready to play my pretend baseball game against the pretend St. Louis Cardinals, but that is still delayed. And as you can see, the pretend baseball top is on the field. Alright, that's an airplane. I thought that was thunder for a minute. As you can see, there's... Oh, there's two! There's two airplanes! Going that way and that way. Holy shit, that's cool. There's Drake's house. That's right up here. That's the one Drake drives, and that white Chevy. Right there between, like, in front of that, black Nissan. This is Randy's. That's, that white Chevy is, Harvey and Brian's. This is part of their parents. And that's Randy's. That's Joey's car, our neighbor. That's our new neighbor. Those are our new neighbors. Those were the ones I was talking to yesterday. There's Louise and Anthony's car, that black Ford Explorer. There's Mr. Mike's car from Jackson's house, which is one of our neighbors. And there's Mr. Mike's car with the red Nissan. That's a nice fucking car. And that's the one Louise drives as well. And Mr. Mike, that was right with the basketball net here. Excuse me, I had a sneeze. And as you can see, it's still raining a little bit. And sorry, I did not mean to tuck in my can. And as you can see, stuff kind of chilling out here. We are like ready to head down into the basement. Oh shit, that's a Southwest. This is Southwest Airlines. That's like 4 planes I captured today during the storm fog. And yeah, so like I said, we were like ready to head down to the basement because we were like going to get some smokes, going to my house to get some smokes, and this guy that's looked totally pitch fucking black. I mean, totally pitch fucking black. And my brother actually got two alerts on the 105.5 station. This is from McHenry, and as you can see, it's kind of slowing down right now. I'm probably up in my bare feet later. I do apologize for talking into my can again and for burping. As you can see, this is our the pop can I was drinking on. Sorry. And so yeah, so hopefully we get no more lightning so far. That's only thunder for the rest of the time. Oh shit, when it's blowing the rain. Yeah, Mother Nature is a fucking bitch. She's a fucking bitch. Oh shit, I'm getting totally soaked. The rain's fucking nasty here. Uh, and as you can see, oh no plane this time. For my angle. And there's a cute bird. There's oh that's let's see the birds right behind that bush. And oh whoa, it's fucking nasty down there. I don't know if you can see this guys, but it's looking kinda nasty down by Jose's house, which is my mom's. They were like like down there with that you know, like where that purple truck is and that black Pontiac. And they're showing Drake was showing Paco was showing off fireworks last night over at that house with the Toyota Prius on the driveway. And so again, like I said, our new neighbors, and let us please leave a like and subscribe. It is free. And if you want to see more videos, please send me some notifications by pressing the bell after you hit the subscribe button. Just click on the bell and it'll ask for notifications. And as you can see, the rain's kinda slowing down. It's just dripping off on the dugout here. I can't believe I got that huge fucking crap of thunder on here. Holy shit. That's fucking insane. And full of planes today during this fog. Oh look, there's a squirrel going up the tree. So I gotta get sorry. He's into the bus for safety. Oh, there's another plane up there. Ah shit, I missed it. Because I was too busy filming the fucking squirrel. Sorry for the language in this video. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know by commenting. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. Again, if you want to see more storm videos this year, like when I'm at my mom's house, you can hit the notification bell. Like after you hit the subscribe button, you can hit have me send some notifications. Like I like send some notifications to you. Like YouTube will send the notifications to you. Like a video from if you want for the subscriber, from the YouTuber you subscribe to, you get notifications from there. And that's a real rainy rains. The rain is kind of slowing down right now. I beat it up.